This here is the solar generator I built. Walk you around, show it to you. Ordered parts off of eBay. Solar plant panel came from China. It's 50 watts. The insides, the inverter is a 400 watt inverter. Solar charger is a 10 amp solar charger. The gauges, all these were ordered through eBay, are just voltage meters. Only one is currently hooked up to show the voltage coming in to the solar charger. And right now, on an extremely overcast morning, we are currently running 11.8, 11.4. It fluctuates. To get a spike, there's one that went up. It'll get as high as 14. There's 13. So you get a couple of spikes occasionally. That's just my multimeter. Check the battery. The battery's here. And as you can see, not done finished building this. I have hooked a case fan to it to cool it, but I don't have it hardwired to the switches yet. I just hook it right direct to the battery. That is what I'll work on next. I want to put 2 fans in here so there's a flow of air, and that'll be all hooked to these marine switches, which are fused switches. Only one's hooked up right now, and that's for the charge controller to turn off the power from the solar panel. I currently have just 3-foot leads connected to the solar panel. However, I have the ability, those red cables down there are 20-foot cables, so I can actually set this up on a tripod. At least that's the plan, to put it on a tripod so that the solar panel can have an automated horizon mount with a solar tracker, so it'll follow the sun as it goes across the sky from east to west. That's in the future. I also have a triple star watt meter. This helps me see how many watts are being pulled from the inverter. It's pretty accurate. It does a nice job. It's got a remote screen that you can mount somewhere, or it mounts on top of this unit here. I'm not using it currently because right now I'm just charging. I'm not drawing anything off the inverter, so it's not running. But I do have the ability to see how many watts are actually being consumed by the solar charger. I will have more videos on this as it progresses. We are currently at Ohio Power, camping. This is the lake in front of us. It's actually a large pond. This is Ohio Power. It's southeastern Ohio. Very quiet, peaceful. Solar charger's a great application here. Beats the generators.